Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hagan ni kasngi kinong pathai kubor kila shim kaburu bantua jingmon halor ke election MP na Tura parliamentary seat kabaladap long haubna yayong mentau snem arja kat kandai. Bat ya kaba onsenyo ki vote ha ka arfulai trik mentau bna jemang. U Dr. Mukul Sangma udai ubalai kon ya kan ke election na kaseng Congress. Bat ka jing Kyrmen jong u tong nyesngap na u hi sipor.
We will win both the seats in Mecca. We will win both the seats. We are thankful to the people. They have come out, participated in this whole celebration of democracy, which is a good sign. I think I would have been happier if the percentage of attendance was higher in areas falling under Shillong parliamentary constituency. It is very low in some areas. It is below 50%, and that's not correct. I think we must all participate. We must all understand that we are equally responsible for the future of the nation. You may decide to vote for any of the candidates who are their respective choice, but then the fact is that one must understand as a citizen the responsibility associated with every election. One cannot be expected to all the time bump, voting and then point finger at the people who are in the helm of affairs of governance. That's very unfair. And it is also very unfortunate that in some of the urban constituencies you have 44% attendance. Yeah. But you look at Karwitz, 84%. I think the highest one is 93, 92, almost 93%.
Depending on the candidates also.
Candidates, see, I will not subscribe to that, to take an excuse that, okay, because of the candidates one is not coming out. You have the choice, you have political parties. At the end of the day, democracy revolves around the political system. It's not individual per se. Individual matter, but then ultimately when you're talking about the nation's future, forming a national government, then you have to ensure that, okay, certain political party is given the mandate, irrespective of what is the personal choice. But I say that I would have been happier. I think you would also have been happier if people would have come out more in number and voted. I hope in future people will come out and vote in more number.